Hi there. Thank you for joining us on another edition of Western Roundup. On today's episode, we'll take you on a tour of the island's first computerized police station in Hopewell, Hanover. Then we'll head over to Trelawney and Westmoreland to see the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining at work. Stick around. The details are next. The country's first ever smart police station was recently opened in Hopewell, Hanover. The station boasts state-of-the-art technology which is expected to bring improved security services to the area. The construction of the facility was made possible through a partnership involving the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Ministry of National Security, and the Hanover Municipal Corporation, which owns the building.
So this station is perhaps the first station that has onboarded all of our new technologies right away. Interestingly enough, Hanover is that first. So other stations were in transition as we moved from the old to the new. This one has had the opportunity to start off new. You'll see that there are no ticket books here. There are devices that once we know who you are, we'll know a lot about you, whether you have outstanding tickets and warrants.
This police station, of course, ensure that we can have the kind of community policing that requires in Hanover, as well as responding to any other criminal activity.
Over in St. Anne, potato farmers under the Production Incentive Program are expected to see a boost in their production with the recent installation of a water catchment system. An initiative of the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, the Production Incentive Program aims to increase productivity, income generation, foreign exchange earnings, and rural development while ensuring food security.
We have decided to invest a lot of the PIP into water catchment facilities so that our farmers, when they get rain, they'll be able to harvest that water and have it for the dry season.
Meanwhile, following a recent tour of potato and hot pepper farms in Hindstown, St. Anne, Portfolio Minister Floyd Green expressed dissatisfaction with the level of agricultural production on the island.
I'm very impressed. Very impressed with what we have been seeing from the farmers, and we have seen some record productivity metrics. Farmers are actually surpassing our national averages and even surpassing in some instances world averages for production of Irish potato per hectare.
The Agriculture Ministry also made its presence felt in Hamden, Trelawney, issuing letters of possession to descendants of former sugar workers. The move now gives them security of tenure on the old Hamden sugarcane lands.
This gives you tremendous value and a tool that can really not just enhance the quality of your lives, but I know you are all here not for you, but for your children and your grandchildren. So some of the indignity that you suffered, they will not suffer because they will have proof that they are owners of their past love land.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.